Ready to unlock the full potential of your Windows 11 experience by setting it to English. Let's dive right into tailoring your Windows 11 interface to the English language. First, we need to access your Windows settings. The easiest way to do this is by clicking on the Start button. You'll find it down here on your taskbar. Once the Start menu appears, look for the settings icon. It usually looks like a little cog. We'll go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the Settings app, we're going to navigate to the Language and Region options on the left-hand side menu. Find and click on Time and Language. Within the Time and Language section, you'll see an option labeled Language here. We need to add English if it's not already listed as a primary display language. Click on the Add a Language button. A window will pop up with a variety of languages. You can either scroll through the list or, much faster, use the search bar at the top to type English. Once you find English, select the specific dialect you prefer, like English United States or English United Kingdom, and then click the Next button. On the next screen, ensure that the Language Pack option is checked. This is the crucial component that will change your system language. You can also choose to install other features like text-to-speech if you wish, but for just changing the Language Pack is essential. Then, click Install. Windows will now download and install the English Language Pack. This might take a minute or two depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, you'll see English listed under your preferred languages. Now, to make English your primary display language, click on the English Language Pack you just installed, and then select the Move Up option until it's at the very top of the list. You will likely see a prompt indicating that you need to sign out for the changes to take full effect. Click on the Start button again, then click on your user profile picture and select Sign Out. After you sign back in, your entire Windows 11 system will be running in English, making it easier for you to navigate and use all its features. You've successfully changed your Windows 11 language to English.